This call is now being recorded.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. A guru is the Brahma who creates knowledge. A guru is the Vishnu who sustains knowledge. And the guru is Shiva who destroys the darkness of ignorance. I salute such a great guru. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to all the loving teachers and my dear friends. I, Jyoti Sharma from BH Special Semester 2nd, on behalf of all the students of Meyer College, wishes our mentors a very happy Teachers' Day and a big thank you to all the teachers in this institution and the whole world. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate this amazing day to honor the noblest profession in the world. Now, I would like to invite Mrs. Komal Sharma ma'am, convener, co-curricular committee, for the formal welcome.
Thank you, Jyoti. Good morning, Rupa ma'am, HODs, Deputy HODs, teachers and students. Warm greetings to one and all. On behalf of Co-Curricular Committee of Meyer College of Education, I extend a very sincere welcome to all of you present online here on this Teachers' Day celebration of our college. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to our young and dynamic Rupa ma'am, who is here with us today on this function as our chief guest. And ma'am has been kind enough that in spite of her busy schedule, as I talked to her yesterday, she has spared still little time for us to grace this occasion. Ma'am is a dynamic leader, a hard worker, and of course, she's the light bearer for all of us. She shows us the channel on which we can work and we can do much better as we are doing. I welcome you from the core of my heart, ma'am. I extend a very warm welcome to Dr. Moolraj Sharma, HOD PG Department, and Ronika Sharma, HOD UG Department, who are not only efficient heads, but great teachers who also inspire, guide, and support the students and staff with the humane qualities of head and heart. I also welcome the deputy heads, Dr. Nishtha Rana and Dr. Monica Bajaj of PG and UG Department for their presence in this auspicious occasion. A day kept aside to honor the teachers, the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for their students. I welcome the teachers and students on this occasion. We have joined together to commemorate the efforts of teachers who are believed to be the second parents and guiding masters of the career of their students. It is an honorable occasion for all the students to wish their teachers or gurus on Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on September 5. The day is to celebrate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is more popular as a professor rather than holding positions such as second president of India and first vice president of India. The fact behind celebrating Teachers' Day on September 5 is when students approached Dr. Radhakrishnan to celebrate his birthday, he replied that instead of celebrating my personal birthday, it is better if you dedicate the day to tribute the whole teaching profession. Henceforth, we are celebrating this day as Teachers' Day on September 5 since 1962. While his connection to Teachers' Day is widely known, Dr. Radhakrishnan was a great scholar, teacher, educationist, and politician. He was awarded with Bharat Ratna, Knighthood Award, and nominated for Nobel Prize 27 times. He also represented India at UNESCO and was the Indian ambassador in USSR. Teachers have the power to make or break lives. As we are living in the era of social networking platform, so the teachers are required to believe that classroom activities should correspond closely to real life situations. Website videos, developing new softwares, and online teaching gifted by corona pandemic, moving to a revolutionary change in imparting education at the doorstep. Concluding, we have to admit that teacher has a unique role, right from playway school to primary, secondary, college, and university level. I would end it with a quote: a good teacher is like a candle, it consumes itself to light the way for others who are her students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Komal ma'am, for the formal welcome. सबके दिलों में हो सबके लिए प्यार, आने वाला हर पल लाए खुशियों की बहार। इस उम्मीद के साथ भुला के सारे गम इस आयोजन का करें वेलकम। Now, let's start today's event with the welcome song by Shruti Sharma of B.Ed.
Good morning, worthy teachers, HOD ma'am, and chief guest, and all my dear friends. I, Shruti Sharma, welcome you all on this occasion. And आज मैं आप सबके सामने एक स्वागतम गीत जो है वो प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। सारे गा मग मगरे नी सारे गरे गरे सा। ऐसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, आप आए अतिथियों के सरताज है। ऐसा पावन सुहावन समय आज है, आप आए अतिथियों के सरताज है। देव की भांति पूजन करे आज हम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की बगिया से हमने कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूलों से हमने माला बुनी। मन की बगिया से हमने कलियां चुनी, श्रद्धा के फूल से हमने माला बुनी। करते हैं तुमको अर्पित सुमन आज हम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम। सारे गा मग मगरे नी सारे गरे सा। थैंक यू सो मच।
मन की वीणा से गुंजित ध्वनि मंगलम, स्वागतम स्वागतम स्वागतम। Thank you, Shruti, for such a beautiful song. Let's move forward. Now I would like to invite Miss Kirandeep of EMED for poetry recitation.
Thank you, Jyoti. Good afternoon, all. I, Kirandeep, from Ahmed Semester 2nd going to recite my poem for my worthy teachers. Teacher, a single word but a very deep meaning. The way you care, the knowledge you share, the love you shower has immense power. You work hard with optimism. Dear teacher, you are awesome. A very happy Teachers' Day to all the educators and teachers out there. A great teachers build characters, inspire dreams, encourage creativity, build confidence, make learning fun, touch our heart, and change our life forever. My teacher, my sunshine. Teacher, teacher, you are so fine. I am really blessed that you are mine. I am happy when I come to school because you are fun and you are so cool. I need to learn, but very few can make me want like you do. Because of you, I got some smarts. Thank you, teacher, from all my heart. Thank you all and happy Teachers' Day to all the worthy teachers.
बनाए हमें इंसान और दें सही गलत की पहचान। देश के उन निर्माताओं को हम करते हैं शत शत प्रणाम। Thank you, Kirandeep, for such a lovely poem. Let's move to the next performance. Now I would like to invite Miss Nikita Mahajan of B.Ed to present a video.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all. Words can express my gratitude towards you. अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते. Thank you, teachers.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम
हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया माफ की गलतियां संभाला जब भी लड़खड़ाया
शुक्रिया 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 शुक्रिया
To all the teachers we have met in this life, a very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. And thank you for making us enabled. Shukriya.
Helps to gain knowledge. And wherever you have a problem, he or she stand beside you to help you. Thank you, Nikita, for such a heart-touching video. Now, I would request you all, please stand up in a pledge position. I request Komal ma'am to lead us with the pledge.
No, it's okay, ma'am. We can have the pledge while I think sitting also, because it will be difficult to put up in the laptop. So it can be done while sitting also. But I request everyone to take a pledge position by putting their right hand on the left side of their shoulder where the heart is, so that whatever we speak it with our heart. So I request all the students who are the pupil teachers as well, because they are going to become the teachers very soon. So they should also be participating in the pledge. I, the teacher of Meyer College,
I, the teachers of Meyer College,
hereby pledge that
hereby pledge that
I would fully dedicate myself
I will fully dedicate myself
towards my profession
towards my
throughout my life.
throughout my life.
I solemnly assure
I solemnly assure
that I will look after
that I will look after
the multifaceted development,
the multifaceted development,
welfare and studies
welfare and studies
of the students
of the students
entrusted to me
entrusted to me
and would remain loyal
and would remain loyal
and faithful to
and faithful to
both my institution
both my institution
as well as the nation.
as well as the nation.
I dedicate myself
I dedicate myself
to work for the welfare
to work for the welfare
of the community
of the community
without any prejudice
without any prejudice
or discrimination,
or discrimination,
and be the real model
and be the real model
for the students
for the
students
and the community.
and the community.
Further,
further
I shall be a friend
I shall be a friend
and facilitator of children
and
and facilitator of children
to promote learning,
to promote
learning
good habits,
good habits
and values among them.
and
values on them.
I further affirm
I further inform
that a teacher
that
that a teacher
I shall continue to add to
I shall continue to
my knowledge
my knowledge
and leave no stone unturned
and leave no unturned
for nation building
for nation building
and social service
and social service
by serving the cause of quality,
by serving the quality
education in accordance
education
in accordance
with emerging trends
with emerging trends
based on the principles
based on
of autonomy, excellence,
excellence,
self-reliance, collaboration, and innovation.
and
innovation.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Komal ma'am. Let's take you all to our next performance, that is poem recitation in Rumi by Neha Barkotra.
ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਣੇ ਜੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਾਮ ਰਾਮ ਨਮਸਕਾਰ ਆਦਾਬ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਟੀਚਰਸ ਡੇ ਦੇ ਮੌਕੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣੀ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਕਵਿਤਾ ਆਪਣੀ ਟੀਚਰਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਲਿਆਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਲੱਗਗ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਗਲਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਮਾਫੀ। ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਾ, ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣਾ, ਰੱਬ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ ਇੰਦਾ ਥਾਂ, ਰੱਬ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ ਇੰਦਾ ਥਾਂ, ਸਾਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਹੀਂ ਜਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਸਾਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਹੀਂ ਜਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ, ਇਹ ਨਸਾੜੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਤਾਰੇ, ਇਹ ਨਸਾੜੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਤਾਰੇ, ਜੋ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੀ ਜੜ, ਜੋ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੀ ਜੜ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਅਕੜ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਅਕੜ, ओन साढ़े रिस्पेक्टेड आदित्य सर, ओन साढ़े रिस्पेक्टेड आदित्य सर। HOD सर दी ते के करां बड़ाई, HOD सर दी ते के करां बड़ाई, इंदी ते कॉलेज च बड़ी गै चढ़ाई, इंदी ते कॉलेज च बड़ी गै चढ़ाई, सियाने भी है बड़े न भाई, सियाने भी है बड़े न भाई, गल अपनी झट लैंदे मनाई, गल्लां अपनी झट लैंदे मनाई, फिर साड़ी प्यारी निष्ठा मैडम आई, फिर साड़ी प्यारी निष्ठा मैडम आई, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਟ ਕਰੀਏ ਸਾਡੀ ਰੂਹ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਜਗਾਈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੋਟੀਵੇਟ ਕਰੀਏ ਸਾਡੀ ਰੂਹ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਜਗਾਈ, ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਰ ਵੇਲੇ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ, ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਰ ਵੇਲੇ ਅਵੇਲੇਬਲ, ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਹੱਲ, ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਹੱਲ। ਗੱਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਉਹਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੰਨੀ ਮਿਠਾਸ, ਗੱਲਾਂ 'ਚ ਜੋਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੰਨੀ ਮਿਠਾਸ, ਐਸੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਠਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਇਹ ਕਲਾਸ, ਐਸੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਨਿਸ਼ਠਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਇਹ ਕਲਾਸ। ਲੀਵ ਐਂਡ ਅਟੈਂਡੈਂਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਪੂਰਾ ਧਿਆਨ, ਲੀਵ ਐਂਡ ਅਟੈਂਡੈਂਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਪੂਰਾ ਧਿਆਨ, ਕਾਲਜ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਸਭਨੇ ਦਾ ਮਾਣ, ਕਾਲਜ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਸਭਨੇ ਦਾ ਮਾਣ, ਮੂੰਹ ਹੈ ਜੋਦਾ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਸਮਾਨ, ਮੂੰਹ ਹੈ ਜੋਦਾ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਸਮਾਨ, ਐਸੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਇਕਾ ਮੈਮ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ, ਐਸੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੀ ਸਾਇਕਾ ਮੈਮ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ। ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਜੋ ਦੀ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਹਿੱਟ, ਕਮਿਊਨੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਜੋ ਦੀ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਹਿੱਟ, ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਦੀ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਫਿੱਟ, ਐਸੀ ਐਸਾ ਹੈ ਸਾਡਾ ਮੈਮ ਦਾ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ। ਕੋ ਕਰਿਕੂਲਰ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ 'ਚ ਅਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਵਿਓ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ, ਕੋ ਕਰਿਕੂਲਰ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀਜ਼ 'ਚ ਉਹ ਅਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਵੇ ਪਾਰਟਿਸਿਪੇਟ, ਆਪਣੇ ਕੰਮਾਂ 'ਚ ਕਦੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੇਟ, ਆਪਣੇ ਕੰਮਾਂ 'ਚ ਕਦੇ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੇਟ, ਐਂਥੂਸੀਆਸਟਿਕ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਕੰਨੇ ਹੈ ਅਪ ਟੂ ਡੇਟ, ਐਸੀ ਹੈ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਰੁਚਿਕਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਦੀ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ। ਜਦੋਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਆਹੇਗੀ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ, ਜਦੋਂ ਚਾਹੀਦੀਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਆਹੇਗੀ ਕਿਤਾਬਾਂ, ਤਾਂ ਚੇਤਾ ਆਵੇ ਆਹੇ ਇੱਕ ਗੇ ਠਿਕਾਣਾ, ਕਿਊਟ ਤੇ ਚੁਲਬੁਲੀ ਈਸ਼ਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਕੋਲ ਗੇ ਜਾਣਾ, ਕਿਊਟ ਤੇ ਚੁਲਬੁਲੀ ਈਸ਼ਾ ਮੈਡਮ ਕੋਲ ਗੇ ਜਾਣਾ। ਆਵੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਹੇ ਪੇਪਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ, ਆਵੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਹੇ ਪੇਪਰਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ, ਚੇਤਾ ਆਵੇ ਆਹੇ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਟੰਡਨ ਦਾ ਬੈਸਟ, ਚੇਤਾ ਆਵੇ ਆਹੇ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਟੰਡਨ ਦਾ ਬੈਸਟ। ਸਭਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਗੇ ਰੁਤਬਾ, ਸਭਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣਾ ਗੇ ਰੁਤਬਾ, ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਚੜਦਾ, ਇੱਕ ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਚੜਦਾ, ਜੀਣੇ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੱਸਣ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਰਾਹ, ਜੀਣੇ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਾਹ ਦੱਸਣ, ਮਾਇਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਐਸੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਕੁਤੇ ਨੀ ਲੱਭਣ, ਮਾਇਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਐਸੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਕੁਤੇ ਨੀ ਲੱਭਣ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।
ਡੋਗਰੇ ਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਤੇ ਖੰਡ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਲੋਕ ਡੋਗਰੇ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ ਨੇਹਾ ਦੀ ਤੁੰਦਾ ਮਤਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੜੀ ਸ਼ੈਲ ਹਫਤਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਤੁਤ ਕੀਤੀ। Now, I would like to invite students to share their posters on the Teachers' Day, one by one.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Jyoti Chaudhary from B.Ed Semester 2 UG Department. So in my poster, I have tried to portray the importance of teachers in our lives. They act as a parents, mentors, friends, facilitators, and guide to us. Just like a gardener who sow the seeds and protect us even it after it grow as a tree. In the same way, teachers helps us to make a right choices, right decisions by imparting the valuable knowledge into us and helps us to grow like a tree. So on this valuable day, I would like to thank all the teachers of the world who taught us like a teachers, protected us like our parents, and guided us like a mentors. So happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers present here. Myself, Aradhna Chaudhary from B.Ed Special Education. Here, your papa ne.
चलो बेटे.
Sorry for the call. My poster today highlights the message that teachers play an important role in the growth of the society and in shaping the mindset of the nation. Thank you and sorry.
It's okay.
Good afternoon. A teacher is like a candle who spent whole life giving lights to many students. Respected Madam, thanks for making us what we are today. We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts you have put in during COVID-19. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Stay well.
Good afternoon all. This poster is dedicated to our teacher who shows us the path towards success in life. Happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shruti Gupta from B.Ed Semester 2nd. Happy Teachers' Day to all the worthy teachers. As teachers play a vital role in every child's life, teacher is a person who plays multiple roles in their career. They become mothers when we are sick. They become fathers when we commit mistakes. They throughout remain our friends. Teachers come into our life not for a day, hour, or month, but for lifetime. In my poster, I have showed that teachers guide us, inspire us, and motivate us to become a better version of self. As without teachers, no one can be a upcoming doctors, teachers, engineers, nurse, etc. Because every teacher shapes children to be doctor, engineer, and winners. Thank you, teachers, for all the things that you have done for us. We bow down to you today and forever for planting seeds of knowledge in us. Thank you, ma'am.
Simran? Yes?
I think कोमल जी उनका लेफ्ट हुआ है, वो she'll join again.
She'll join again. हाँ, उनका लीव हो गया. Some network issues. Has Simran joined?
Ma'am, I think we have taken our message, so we can just clap and go ahead with the next one.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Excellent, everyone. A loud applause for these young creative students. Now, there will be a speech on this special occasion of Teachers' Day by Miss Naureen from MA.
Noreen, unmute yourself, bete.
सॉरी
It's okay.
तू नूर का एक प्याला है
थोड़ा सा
जुल्मत में
अपना कैमरा एडजस्ट करो बेटे. We are not able to see.
थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाओ बेटा, या कैमरा ऊंचा कर लो थोड़ा सा. Yes. Now it's okay.
Better.
Now it's better.
तू नूर का एक प्याला है जुल्मत मिटाने वाला है ए उस्ताद तुझे सलाम कलम भी तू तलवार भी तू हो कौमों का दस्तार भी तू ए उस्ताद तुझे सलाम. Respected principal, dear teachers and fellows, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today, I, Navreen Banu from MA Semester 2nd, wish you a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I would like to start my speech by thanking all my beloved teachers for always guiding us and bestowing us with all the teachings, moral values, and disciplines. Teachers are real nations builders, so every day is Teachers' Day. We all have gathered here today to celebrate Teachers' Day. Today's day is a special day for all of us where we can pay hearty tribute to our dear teachers who take untiring effort to build our futures. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to work on the gifted soul who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Mom, dad, siblings, and friends for teaching me how to love, how to live, and how life can be seen. But teachers for teaching me the value of these bonds. A teacher transforms thinking and behavior. A society can never progress if it does not have progressive, enlightened teachers. Teachers are role models who have responsibility of bringing out the best in their students, not only academically, but also at all levels of personal development. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wish to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. At last, I want to dedicate a few lines for my class teachers, Mrs. Bindu ma'am, Mrs. Ruchika ma'am, Mrs. Saika ma'am, Mrs. Nishta ma'am, and Miss Bharti ma'am. You are my favorite teachers because you are not just my teachers but also my guidance, my inspirations. I never feel afraid to ask anything from you just because of your amazing nature. Today, I just wanna to say thank you so much for everything. I was lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. I will always remember you with the deepest respect and affection for your efforts in making each lesson enjoyable and educational. Your inspiring lessons gave my life direction. Thank you for being the best teacher a student could ever hope for. Today, I pray for every teacher for their great contribution to nation and society. To sum up, I conclude with this plea from a poem of great poet Iqbal. Allah रखे तेरे जवानों को सलामत दे उनको सबक खुद जख्मी व खुद नगरी का. Mean, may God preserve the youth you guide. Teach them how to break away from the constant and teach them to guard themselves. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Thank you so much.
टीचर के बिना जिंदगी सुनसान होती है, सब कुछ होते हुए भी जिंदगी सुनसान होती है, सब कुछ होते हुए भी जिंदगी वीरान होती है. टीचर्स हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं और टीचर्स का होना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि टीचर्स की दुआ में ही हर मंजिल आसान होती है. थैंक यू Noreen for this beautiful speech. In case if you have missed your laughter medicine, here are some of the funny jokes by Surbhi Sharma from B.Ed Special Semester 2nd.
Good morning, everyone present here. I, Surbhi Sharma from B.Ed Special, would like to wish you all a very, very happy Teachers' Day. और टीचर्स डे है, कोई भी सेलिब्रेशन फन सेगमेंट के बिना तो पूरी होती नहीं है. तो लेट मी ब्रिंग यू ऑल सम फनी जोक. तो पहला जोक है, एक बार टीचर जो होती है वो क्लास में बच्चों को बोलती है कि बच्चों हमें हमेशा सबसे अच्छे से बात करनी चाहिए, सबसे प्यार से रहना चाहिए. तो फिर वो पप्पू से पूछती है कि पप्पू पप्पू बताओ हमें सबसे अच्छे से क्यों बात करनी चाहिए. तो पप्पू आगे से बोलता है कि मैम क्या पता कल को एग्जाम में किसके पीछे बैठना पड़े, किसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए.
Nice one.
पप्पू, इस केस में तो मैं पप्पू से एग्री करती हूँ. अब एक बार टीचर क्लास में बच्चों को सिखाती है कि बच्चों हमें बेटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए, हमें जुआ नहीं खेलना चाहिए. जुआ खेलना बहुत बुरी बात होती है. हम आज खेलेंगे, आज जीतेंगे, कल हारेंगे, फिर जीतेंगे, फिर हारेंगे. तो वो अपने फेवरेट स्टूडेंट पप्पू से पूछती है, पप्पू बताओ हमें जुआ क्यों नहीं खेलना चाहिए. तो वो कहता मैम हमें जुआ खेलना चाहिए पर एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन खेलना चाहिए ना. तो नेक्स्ट जोक है, टीचर सभी स्टूडेंट्स को बोलती है कि स्टूडेंट्स कल कोई भी मेरी क्लास मिस नहीं करेगा क्योंकि कल मैं बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फिजिक्स पे लेक्चर देने जा रही हूँ. तो इमीडिएटली पप्पू बोलता है मैम पर मैं नहीं आ सकता कल. मैम पूछती है क्यों. तो पप्पू कहता है मैम मेरी मम्मा इतनी दूर नहीं भेजेगी मुझे. चलो जी, अब लास्ट जोक. अब टीचर जो है वो पप्पू को बोलती है पप्पू समझो मैंने तुम्हें 10 लड्डू दिए. पर पप्पू कहता है पर मैम आपने तो मुझे दिया ही नहीं. तो टीचर कहती है अरे तुम समझो ना, अब मैंने तुम्हें 10 लड्डू दिए, उसमें से मैंने 5 लड्डू ले लिए, तो तुम्हारे कितने बचे. तो पप्पू कहता है 20. तो टीचर कहती है 20 कैसे. तो पप्पू कहता है अब आप भी समझो ना मैम. थैंक यू.
When you can. It's a cheap medicine. Thank you, Surbhi, for making us laugh. Now let's take you to the next performance that is video presentation composed by Vishal Kumar from PH Special Semester 2nd.
शुक्रिया 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 आज जो भी है हम सब है आपकी ही बदौलत आपके समर्पण को सलाम शुक्रिया 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 हाथ थाम के आपने है हमको सब सिखाया माफ की गलतियां संभाली जब भी लड़खड़ाया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया
this amazing heart-touching video. अक्षर अक्षर हमें सिखाते, शब्द शब्द का अर्थ बताते, कभी प्यार से कभी डांट से जीवन जीना हमें सिखाते. Thank you, teachers. Okay, now let's move forward to our next performance, that is poem by Dipali Gautam of B.Ed.
नमस्कार महोदय, नमस्कार सभी टीचर्स को, नमस्कार सभी मेरे मित्रगणों को. सबसे पहले मैं सभी टीचर्स को विशिंग अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. तो मैं आज
थोड़ा सा बच्चे अपना कैमरा ऊपर करिए.
ओके मैम.
योर फेस इज नॉट विजिबल बेटा. यस, नाउ इट्स ओके.
ओके.
यस यस, नाउ इट्स ओके.
तो अब जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि ऑनलाइन का जमाना है, तो क्यों ना टीचर्स के ऊपर भी थोड़ी हास्य कविता बनाई जाए, उनकी भी थोड़ी चुटकियां ली जाएं कि वो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में ऐसा क्या फेस करती हैं जो बच्चे उनके मजे लेते हैं. तो आइए मेरी अपनी कविता का शीर्षक है गुरु जी की ऑनलाइन शिक्षा। तो ध्यान से सुनिएगा। था गुरु जी का ब्लैक बोर्ड, एक वक्त का ज्ञान का खजाना, हुआ ये कुछ किस्सा पुराना, अब है मोबाइल का जमाना। मोबाइल पर ही मिल जाते हैं अब गुरुजी वहीं से बोलते हैं पढ़ाई करो शुरू जी। अब मोबाइल में गुरुजी के पास मोबाइल, देख शने शने पप्पू जैसे स्टूडेंट करने लगे स्माइल, क्योंकि अब पप्पू जी कर लेते हैं गुरु की आज्ञा का पालन। पढ़ाई के नाम पे मोबाइल में होता है गेम का संचालन। ऑनलाइन शिक्षा पाते देख माता पिता भी खुश, नहीं पता पबजी खेल रहा उनका दुष्ट। अब टीचर की डांट से विद्यार्थी होते बड़े प्रसन्न, क्योंकि टीचर को खामोश करने का उनके पास है एक बटन। टीचर भी अब बड़े ही सीमित ज्ञान से बच्चों को पढ़ाएं, मालूम ज्यादा दिया तो बच्चा मोबाइल बंद कर भाग जाए। तो ऐसे में टीचर भी हुआ प्रेम पूर्व, मालूम ज्यादा ज्ञान दिया तो बच्चा भाग जाए। तो क्योंकि अब अध्यापिका मोबाइल पर ही चिल्लाएंगे, अब बच्चे मोबाइल पर ही चिल्लाएंगे, माँ बाप भी आश्वस्त बच्चे ऑनलाइन शिक्षा में बच्चे कुछ कर दिखाएंगे। वाह 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 वाह। तो एट द एंड मैं सभी को विशिंग अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। इट इज अ वेरी डिलाइट मूवमेंट दैट वी आर ऑल सेलिब्रेटिंग इट टुगेदर। और सभी को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि इस कोविड के टाइम पे भी इतनी अच्छे तरीके से हमें टीचर्स ने जिस तरह गाइड किया है, ये एक अनफॉरगेटेबल मूवमेंट है, इवन फॉर मी, इवन फॉर द ऑल अदर स्टूडेंट्स हु आर विलिंग टू बी अ टीचर। तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छी प्रेरणा है फ्यूचर के लिए कि लाइफ में कुछ भी सर्कमस्टांसेस अगर आ जाते हैं, वी विल फॉलो योर पाथ what you have taught us. So I'll thankful all the teachers and wishing a very happy Teachers Day to all. Thank you.
ज्ञान देने वाले सभी शिक्षकों को ऑनलाइन ज्ञान देने वाले सभी गुरुओं को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। Thank you, Deepali, for such a beautiful poem. Now I would like to request Rupa ma'am. It would be amazing if you enlighten us with your thoughts.
Thank you, Jyoti. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, just give me a second. So, distinguished HODs, deputy HODs, conveners, in charges, and staff members and students of B.Ed and B.Ed and M.Ed department, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity today. Usually, the program is being attended by our worthy principal, Dr. Adit Gupta, but as he is out of Jammu, so I am, representing both ma'am and Renu ma'am and Dr. Adit Gupta today. So thank you so much for inviting me. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you on this special occasion, that is Teachers Day. And so far, the program was, amazing and awesome. A few names I have noted down before I say something. The comparing done by Shruti, you are doing it so well, ably, conducting this, whole program. And then Shruti Sharma, your song was very melodious. Then poetry recitation by Kirandeep and Deepali Gautam. Thank you so much. And then video presentation was really, really touching, by Nitika, Vishal, and Ranjit. And then I really enjoyed the Dogri Kavita by Neha. And then the posters, made by our talented, students with beautiful messages. And Laughter was also there by Surbi. And then Noreen very well said, every day is a teacher's day. So thank you so much for all the things that you have done today and under the guidance of your teachers. Coming to Teachers' Day, knowledge and learning, given by my parents and teachers, it has given me an opportunity to speak to you today, to stand in front of you today. It is only because of them that I am, in front of you. So I would like to salute all of you, our Gurujan, our teachers, for shaping our future, our lives, and for who we are today. Thank you, and I would like to salute all of you. I'm a learner, and the importance of education, runs in our family. Right from the very beginning, if I remember my childhood when I was a student. So my father, whenever he used to come back from the office, he used to, take our spelling test, reading test, and then mental math tests. Whenever he used to get the time, he used to take our tests. Similarly, my mother, she used to, make us learn all the lessons and for our exams. So I remember, the part played by them. So I can say that, parents, they have given birth to us. They are a very important part of our lives. But, the shaping has been done by our teachers for our future. So similarly, I can say about our chairman, sir, late chairman, sir, Arun Gupta ji and Renu ma'am. When I joined the institution, I was a student at that time, when I got married. So I remember I was doing my MEd, and I remember Renu ma'am taking my test. She used to give me question papers, and I used to do it at home, and she used to mark it also. So my learning never ended. It is still going on, and that's why I said that I'm a learner. I want to say that I believe that the knowledge is kind of an investment. It's जिसका dividend नहीं होता, like किसी का इसका मुनाफा नहीं होता, and you get it, इसका जो मुनाफा है या जो इसकी जो profit है, you get till the end. So knowledge never ends. So it is an investment that you do from the very beginning, and I believe that एक इंसान को a normal life जीने के लिए रोटी कपड़ा मकान तो चाहिए, लेकिन उससे भी ज्यादा important है to have education, to have knowledge. And मैं ये भी समझती हूँ कि you can turn your money into gold, and उसको खो जाने का, उसका गुम हो जाने का डर हमें रहता है, हमें भय रहता है. But if the same money is converted into knowledge and education, it can never be stolen from you. It will be always there with you. So money और धन चला जाएगा, but knowledge कभी आपसे कोई कभी नहीं छीन सकता. So money can be stolen, but knowledge can never be stolen from any one of us. And अगर मैं बच्चों आपसे पूछूं, who is the most powerful person in the world? कुछ कहो, आप लोग में से शायद कुछ कहेंगे कि वो पर्सन पावरफुल है जिसके पास धन है, दौलत है, वेपन्स हैं, किसी वो राज्य का किंग है, प्रिंस है. But I think money and weapons doesn't make anyone powerful. हो सकता है कुछ समय के लिए हो, but you may have money today, but शायद कल ना हो आपके पास, खत्म हो जाए, गुम हो जाए. बट और शस्त्र भी ऐसी चीज होती हैं जो शायद एक बार यूज होके वो ऑब्सोलीट हो जाए, जैसे मशीन्स. मुल्ला सर इसके गवाह हो सकते हैं. कंप्यूटर्स एंड आवर मशीन्स दे बिकम ऑब्सोलीट इन लाइफ, बट नॉलेज एक ऐसी चीज है जो कि कभी भी ऑब्सोलीट नहीं होती. इट इज ऑलवेज विद यू. सो पावर ऑफ नॉलेज इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट, is more powerful, is much stronger than any other weapon in the world. This is what I believe in. आपको जब बचपन से हम पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं, जो भी हम किताबें पढ़ते हैं, हमने बहुत सी कहानियां सुनी है, ऋषि मुनि की कहानियां सुनी है, राज की इम्पोर्टेंट किंग्स की हमने कहानी सुनी है, बैटल्स इतनी हमने पढ़ी है, लेकिन वो सब थोड़ी देर के लिए हमें याद रहता है। हमें याद क्या रहता है कि जीरो की डिस्कवरी किसने की। हमें ये याद है कि हमारा नेशनल एंथम, हमारा राष्ट्रगान किसने लिखा है। हमें ये याद है कि मैकबेथ, ओथेलो या मुंशी प्रेमचंद की कहानियां किसने लिखी हैं। हमें ये याद है कि डिस्कवरी ऑफ बल्ब किसने किया, और भी कई आविष्कार। तो हमें याद है कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन कौन है, हमें याद है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर कौन है, हमें याद है कि राधा कृष्णन कौन है, हमें याद है कि एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम कौन है, because these are the people who have inspired the world, not only India but the world over. क्योंकि उनके आविष्कार और उनकी जो कही हुई बातें हैं, उनकी जो कहानियां हैं शेक्सपियर की, हम कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. So that is what knowledge is. So they are our inspiration for all of us. They have inspired the whole world. Therefore learning never stops. It keeps on growing. हर दिन हर पल कुछ नया आविष्कार होता है, रिसर्च होता है. आप सब रिसर्च से जुड़े हुए हैं और हर पल, हर लम्हा, इस मिनट, हर सेकंड कोई नई चीज दुनिया में आ रही है. And that's why I say learning never ends. Dear students, जिंदगी का इम्तिहान कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. Like आप जिंदगी के हर एग्जाम्स आप देते हैं, चाहे वो लाइफ के हैं, चाहे आप एज ए स्टूडेंट आप दे रहे हैं, बट प्लीज डोंट वरी अबाउट द एंड रिजल्ट of exams or results, because I sincerely feel that if you chase knowledge passionately and with all your focus, numbers will always follow you. So this is my message for you today. और मैं लास्ट में ये बात कहना चाहूंगी कि जो गुरुकुल की जो प्रथा है हमारी बहुत सालों से चलती हुई आ रही है, हमने महाभारत, रामायण सब में देखी है. तो गुरुकुल जो है वो उसका नाम बदल गया है, एज अ हॉस्टल हम कहते हैं, लेकिन गुरु नहीं बदला. उसकी प्लेस, उसकी पोजीशन हमेशा ऊंची रही है, हमेशा ऊंची रहेगी. वो कभी नहीं कोई उनसे छीन सकता. एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू से whenever you are in the class, आप हमेशा नीचे बैठे होते हैं और योर गुरुजन, योर टीचर्स आर ऑलवेज ऑन द टॉप. सो उनका पोजीशन कभी कोई ले नहीं पाएगा और ना ही कोई बदल सकता है उसको. So today I just would like to wish all of you once again a very happy Teachers Day, and I want to thank each one of you, my teachers and the teachers of Meyer Institution today, for guiding us, for showing us the path, for lighting our lives, for like Noreen said, a beacon in the dark. So even during lockdown period. So thank you once again, and I would like to extend my gratitude on behalf of the management of my institution to every teacher for their selfless service and dynamic support. So all the best to all of you. God bless you. And I'm so happy to be the part of this program, and thank you for inviting me. Thank you. I'm so grateful to you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words. They will definitely have a very great impact on all of us and even our students. Thank you for sparing your valuable time for this program and gracing this occasion.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I request HOD PG Department, Dr. Moolraj Sharma. Sir, please enlighten us with your thoughts on this Teachers' Day.
So good afternoon, Rupa Madam, good afternoon, HOD UG and deputies of the departments, as well as the teachers and my dear students. So I will not speak much, but I will say only one thing, that today you feel ourselves at the, you can say, receiving end, right? Because we teacher are being, you can say, honored today. But tomorrow is yours. So if you have to learn something from us, then these are only qualities. So kindly take out the best out of us also, right? So if you think that this quality is good in me, take it out and copy that, right? So I think this is from my side, and thank you all, and thank you organizers for inviting me to have these words. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your precious words on this occasion of Teachers' Day. Now, I request HOD UG Department, Dr. Ronika Sharma, to enlighten us with her views about the Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much, Jyoti. First of all, I want to say Happy Teachers' Day to everyone present here. It's a day to be celebrated, not only today, but it's a day to be celebrated every day. Because as Rupa ma'am said, that we need to value the knowledge, and knowledge is something which is going to stay with us throughout our life. As far as my perceptions related to this day is, the message which I would like to give to all my students is, the basic thing is, we should never say that we have learned, because it is a never ending process. So we should always value that we all are going to be always a teacher, because it's not that we are teachers. Even a small child can teach us. So everyone is a student in one or the other way. So learning is a never ending process. Knowledge is dynamic. It's not static. Today you get some information, a piece of information. Tomorrow it may be like, I know it, but day after tomorrow or after few days, you can imagine and you can experience, oh, this is something, again some new thing is coming to us which we were not knowing. I have read in a book, somebody has written that knowledge is something we can construct also, we can create also, but it is already existing. We being the people, we being the students, we being the teachers. It's not teacher who is an encyclopedia and we know everything. Frankly speaking, we also know nothing. We all are beginners in one or the other way. I just want to share with you the experience of recent days when COVID-19 is around us. And we all thought that how we'll go about teaching, how we'll go about our learning, how we'll conduct examination, because these all are our, things to ponder upon. But then what happened? We all get tuned. Nobody has taught us, but it is how we are using our own experiences and our own learning. So learning is when we implement. It's not only bookish. हमारे पुराने जो बुजुर्ग हैं हमारे घरों के, वो कहते हैं कि पढ़ना is not कि you are पढ़ गए. It is गुड़ना. पढ़ाई तो सब करते हैं, मगर to what extent we are using that knowledge, that matters. So I just want to convey a message to all my students, either from the PG or from the UG, that whatsoever you are attaining, don't think that the goal has been achieved. It is never ending process. Keep on learning and keep on sharing. Because being students, we always have a perception of hiding things, but I think sharing increases your knowledge. So keep on sharing. If you share one chunk of information, definitely you will receive another 2 or 3 chunks of information back to you. So keep on sharing, keep on adding, and keep on learning. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your precious thoughts on this Teachers' Day occasion. Let's move to the next performance. Now a beautiful song will be presented by Veena Devi of B.Ed.
Respected Principal Sir and all my dear teachers, Happy Teachers Day to all. Today, on the occasion of Teachers Day, I, Veena Devi from B.Ed Semester 2nd, want to present a song for my dear teachers who always inspires us to do better. I hope you all enjoy it. गुरुवर सामने मेरे हो गए सपने सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। गुरुवर सामने मेरे हो गए सपने सच मेरे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। वो सूरज चांद के उजियारे मिटेंगे जीवन अंधियारे, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। कृपा तेरी है जो हम पे, भुला पाएंगे हम कैसे, जंग ये जो जीवन की लड़ेंगे तेरे बिन कैसे। अंधेरा जब घना छाए, सूरज बनकर तुम आए, मेरे जीवन में आशा की किरण तुम ही तो बस लाए। गुरु को मैं करूं वंदन, तो जीवन बन जाए मधुबन। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। हिमालय सा है तू ऊंचा, समंदर से भी है गहरा, रूप है तू ईश्वर का, तुझी से है ये जग सारा। वो तेरे ज्ञान की माला करे शीतल हर एक ज्वाला, चांद जैसी शीतल छाया ये अद्भुत तूने पाया। सफल हो ये जीवन मेरा, तू मेरे जीवन का दर्पण। वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास, वो रहते हरदम पास है विश्वास। Happy Teachers Day once again. Thank you.
Words make you think, but music makes you feel. Thank you, Veena. It was wonderful to hear you. Now there will be a presentation of video composed by Sahiba of M.Ed. But firstly, Sahiba will be asking some riddles and then the video will be presented.
थैंक यू ज्योति। हमारे टीचर हैं गुणवान, वो रखते हैं हमारा ध्यान, हम भी करते हैं उनका मान। गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे। I am Sahiba Sharma of M.Ed Department, Semester 2nd. We all would be celebrating Teachers' Day virtually, right? It's a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness, as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how much they are special. It's my honor to present riddles on this delightful occasion. Now it's time for some entertaining task. Rajan sir, please first slide show करें. सबसे बड़ी है जिनकी शान, हम्बल नेचर है उनकी पहचान। बताओ कौन है वो महान? एनीबॉडी?
Aditya.
Yes, that's great. Adit sir. So please show. Next one. कंप्यूटर सा तेज चले दिमाग, कंप्यूटर सा तेज चले जिनका दिमाग, संभाले एमएट का पूरा विभाग। बताओ कौन है वो?
Mulraj sir.
Yes, you are right. So please show. Next one. ज्ञान का भंडार है जिसके पास अपार, ज्ञान का भंडार है जिसके पास अपार, हमें जो पढ़ाए मोटिवेट कर कर हर बार। Who is that respected one?
Nishta ma'am.
Nishta ma'am. Yes, that's perfect. Sir, please. Next. जो देती हैं हमें बहुत स्ट्रेस, मगर कॉलेज में है वो सबसे बेस्ट। बताओ कौन है वो?
भारती टंडन मैम।
Yes, that's right. भारती टंडन मैम। नेक्स्ट वन। पर्टिकुलर हैं जो अपने काम में, पर्टिकुलर हैं जो अपने काम में, रहती हैं जिनको पढ़ाई हरदम ध्यान में। What do you think? Who's that?
बिंदु मैम।
Bindu ma'am. Bindu ma'am.
Good guess. नेक्स्ट। चांदी जैसा रंग है जिनका, सोने जैसे बाल, लीव एंड अटेंडेंस का रखे जो हर पल ख्याल। पहचानो कौन?
Saika ma'am.
आउटस्टैंडिंग। सर प्लीज। सामने जब वो हमारे आए, सामने जब वो हमारे आए, गुरु और मित्र हमें दोनों मिल जाए। पहचानो कौन है वो?
Ruchika ma'am.
अमेजिंग, वेरी वेल रुचिका मैम। नेक्स्ट। शोध गंगा इनफ्लिप नेट का दे हमें जो ज्ञान, कौन है वो बताओ महान?
Isha ma'am.
Superb, right. Isha ma'am. Sir, next slide. I came into your class to learn and to grow, but was touched me the most is the love you have shown. Dear teacher, you are the best because you brought out the best in us. Thank you. Heartful gratitude towards our worthy teachers. We adore them. So please play video. Rajan sir, please play a video.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे, खूंटे से बंदी है हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू, ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है झम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर।
वेरी वेल डन साहिबा, बहुत अच्छा किया था।
Thank you.
Presentation. Now, Ruchika ma'am, co-convener, co-curricular committee, will present the vote of thanks to thanking each and everyone for the successful completion of this Teachers' Day event. Now,
Thank
I
you,
would
Jyoti.
wait for Ruchika ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Once again, a very, very happy Teachers' Day to everyone.
Thank you, Jyoti. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. A very happy Teachers' Day to all. All well that ends well. I, Ruchika Sharma, deem it my proud privilege to propose formal vote of thanks on behalf of Co-Curricular Committee, Meyer College of Education. First and foremost, I take this opportunity
to express my deep gratitude to Mrs. Rupa Gupta, Joint Director, Meyer College of Education, for sparing her valuable time to be with us at this occasion. I thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging presence. Ma'am, you always inspire and motivate us to be positive in all the aspects of our life. Thank you, ma'am. I'm indeed grateful to express my vote of thanks to the HODs of different departments, Dr. Mulraj Sharma, Head PG Department of Education, Dr. Rohnika Sharma, Head UG Department of Education. Your guidance and motivation encouraged us in our difficulties to overcome them. Thank you so much for everything you have done and still doing for us. We are very much thankful to our deputy heads, Dr. Nishta Rana from PG Department and Dr. Monica Bajaj from UG Department for your wonderful cooperation and support. We are thankful to Mr. Rajan Salathia for technical support. My heartiest thanks to the convener of this committee, Mrs. Komal Sharma, for her guidance and support. I am happy to express my thanks to our dedicated teachers for gracing the occasion. I am very much thankful to all the concerned who participated in the organization of this event directly or indirectly. You all supported in making this event a memorable day for us. Thanks once again. A very happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.
Thank you once again. It was a very memorable event and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I will convey your message to our chairperson and our director. And it is for the first time I have attended, a program by your department, and I must say it was worth, attending. And each item presented by our students, were amazing, awesome, and I really, really enjoyed it. So thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for gracing the occasion. My heartfelt thanks to Rupa ma'am and Adit sir and Renu ma'am also, who have been always there and who have, groomed us to this extent that we could prepare and compose such types of programs and come up with them. Thank you so much, ma'am, and you will always be there in our programs now. And I convey my heartfelt thanks to the HODs, to deputy HODs, and especially to all the participants who have put in so much of effort. And of course, the comparer Jyoti Sharma, Jyoti Chaudhary, and all these girls and boys, they were always with me, and Ruchika ma'am throughout since so many days. And all the students who have attended this program, happy Teachers' Day to one and all. Thank you so much for